What's going on, boys and girls? Just want to show you something real quick. If you're working on your YZ250 and you're installing the shift arm, the shift shaft mechanism, all this right in here, to make sure that the action has spring back to it. See how it springs back when I let off of the lever underneath? This big spring right here, see the two sides of it? That spring has to be attached. See if we can get a good look at it here. Hold on one second. There we go. Yeah, make sure that that this big spring behind the shift shaft, or right in front of it basically, is attached. You'll see a couple little cupped sections right on top of this here. It's like right back there basically. That spring needs to be attached to it. If you can bear with me one second here. There you go. There's a good look at it. See how those little arms of that spring are attached to the cup section right there? They have to be in there like that. Because if they're not, like if the spring is, way down on the shift shaft, you'll have no spring back action. If that makes sense at all. If we can get a little focus with all this stuff in the way here. Okay. Right there. Has to be in that little slotted region. Okay, so you see my other videos on assembling all of this stuff, but it has to have this springy action right there. And, I tried to do some explaining on installing all of this stuff in here, but yeah, there's not much help I can give you. You just have to make sure you take pictures of everything when you're pulling it apart. The service manual is sort of helpful, but a lot of it just doesn't make a lot of sense, because there's so many little tiny pieces and springs and stuff down in there. So it's a little tricky the first time you look at it. But, yeah, I just wanted to show you that real quick. And she is shifting perfect. There you go. Anywho, that's it for now. We are watching, what are we watching? Something on my favorite channel on YouTube TV or Red Bull. It's Red Bull TV, the app. You can see some of these videos on YouTube, but if you look at the actual Red Bull app, on your streaming device, killer stuff on there. Easily one of my favorite channels. I know I've said this before, but this video, Moto 9, one of the good old ones here. So I highly recommend it, if you haven't checked it out. And I can't play the music because it will get flagged. Anyway, that's it. Enough blabbing. If you have a, YZ250 and you're doing a bottom end rebuild, just go looking through our previous videos. We've got tons of them on various things we've, learned and accomplished and whatnot. So just have a look through our channel and type in YZ250. And I'll put a link to the playlist also. And you'll see all kind of stuff. Anyway, we always like to end a good project with a ring of the bell. And this project is finally getting towards the end. Thank goodness. It's been a tough one because it's all new. So, one of those things when you learn a bunch of new stuff. That's it for now. We'll see y'all later. Have a good evening. Bye-bye, y'all.